Spam isn't random. It's a signal that your data is already out there. Most people think spam just happens. It doesn't. It happens because your email address has been exposed, either through a breach, someone you know being compromised, or the apps and services you use leaking your data. The real problem? Most people use one email address for everything. So when it leaks, everything is exposed. Instead of trying to stop spam, we need to contain it. That's where the 3 rings of trust model comes in. Ring 1, the inner circle. This is your most important account, your master identity. This is the account tied to your device login, your password manager, and your digital identity. It must be protected with a strong, memorable password and secured with multi-factor authentication, ideally a hardware passkey. And critically, never used for shopping, never used for apps, and never used for general communication. This account stays private, always. Ring 2, your middle circle. This is where your most sensitive services live. Think banking, pensions, investments, and critical services. You can also use this account to communicate with people who you trust have strong security practices. This account is still protected by your password manager and strong authentication controls. Ring 3, the outer circle. This is your public-facing account. Use it for shopping, apps, newsletters, and general communication. This is where spam will happen, and that's okay, because now it's contained. All credentials are stored in your password manager, so even if the layer is exposed, your other accounts remain protected. Security isn't about perfection, it's about structure. And separating your digital life into these 3 rings is one of the simplest ways to stay in control.